How to fix Wi-Fi icon missing from Taskbar in Windows 7. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Right click on your taskbar, then go to taskbar settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In taskbar settings, simply scroll down. At bottom, you'll find Wi-Fi icon. You can simply turn Wi-Fi icon on and you'll find Wi-Fi icon on your taskbar. The settings is not available on my device. Wi-Fi being available is only available in some versions, and this is how to make Wi-Fi icon in taskbar in Windows 7. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.